Hey guys, Mr. Carroll here. At this point, you should be on 5B in your packet or in your lab write-up. 5B says to get instantaneous velocity data from your position versus time graph using the computer and the graphical analysis app. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'll pull up my data in graphical analysis. Before you try this, you should put your data in graphical analysis, so go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, now once you have your data in graphical analysis, make sure you've got time and position data in your app. If you come over here to the graph tools, and this is really simple, if you highlight or select tangent so that it's yellow, and then come over to any of these points and click each of them, it will tell you the value for the slope of a tangent line or a line drawn tangent to the curve of your graph. And I can pull up the curve too if you apply a curve fit and put quadratic, because this is a quadratic curve. You can see that that tangent line lines kind of flat up against the curve at each of these different points, and the slope of that tangent line represents the slope of the graph at that point. So at 1 second, I have a slope of 26.7, and graphical analysis is super useful as an app. It even gives you the units of your slope, centimeters per second for me, which means that at each of these points, the slope of the line drawn tangent gives you the velocity of the graph at that moment in time or at that instant. And that's why we call it instantaneous velocity. Hope that was helpful.